Alright, so this is Tyler with Eagle Roofing and Remodeling. We are on Gina Gunter's roof. This is obviously a damaged shingle. See the creasing right here. See the thermal cracking right there. We're going to remove this shingle. And obviously, in order to remove this shingle, we have to manipulate this, and this one, and a couple other ones. So I'm going to point everything out that happens. So look, right here is a tear. That happened. This is an unaffected shingle. I'm looking for mat transfer now. You don't see none? Have to Now we have to remove this shingle. This shingle is ripping. See how that happened because of this. Now we have damage. These are right here. This nail pulled through, so the shingle is now defective. Shingle just ripped right here. Had to break this. This shingle rip right here. Now there is significant mat transfer. Easy. Significant mat transfer right there. can see the matting. And right here where the shingle ripped. And it's on the back of this. Right there's the matting. See the fibers? Now we still got to remove it. So now, all this damage just by removing the shingle. There's this. There's this creasing coming right here. There's this. There's the mat transfer. There's mat transfer under here as well. This is ripped. That's ripped.